In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable margin investing in the Robinhood app, and if you choose, switch your account to a cash account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what each setting means, and a few things to keep in mind before you make the change. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and look to the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the account icon. This takes you to your main account hub, where you can access settings, balances, and key features tied to how your account trades. Next, tap the menu icon, the three horizontal bars near the top of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Investing. This section controls features related to your portfolio, trading settings, and, importantly for today, your margin preferences. Inside the investing area, look for Margin Investing. Tap it, and then choose Disable Margin Investing. This turns off borrowing for trades, so you'll stop using any margin-based buying power. In plain terms, margin is money borrowed from the broker to increase your purchasing power, and it can lead to interest charges and amplified gains or losses. Disabling it helps you trade only with your own funds, which many people prefer for risk control. If you see any messages about open margin positions or balance requirements, follow the on-screen guidance. The app may ask you to settle or reduce certain positions before the change can take effect. If you want to fully stop using margin across your account, you can optionally switch your account type to a cash account. To do that, go back to the account section, then open Settings and select Account Type. Choose Cash Account. With a cash account, you'll place trades using settled funds only, you won't borrow money to trade, and you won't incur margin interest. This can be a good fit if you want a simpler, lower risk setup, or if you're focusing on longer-term investing without leverage. A couple of quick tips as you make these changes. After disabling margin, your available buying power may look different because it will reflect only cash you actually have. If you rely on margin for short-term strategies, consider how this affects your approach. And remember, you can revisit these settings later if your needs change. That's it. Open the app, go to Account, use the menu to find Investing, disable Margin Investing, and if you want to go all the way, switch to a cash account in Settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you trade with confidence and clarity.